I accidentally pressed the stop button, guys. Ah, this fucking with these phones, filming with these phones sucks. Like, I've been doing this shit already going on 7 years or whatever. More, I think. I don't even know. I think next year's like 8 years. And people probably use phones and it's fine. But I can't. It's too sensitive, like the buttons, like right now I messed up the video, guys. I was gonna show you starting it. The battery's so dead, it actually doesn't want to start. So I'm gonna pause you guys, and I'll probably do on part 2 of starting it because I accidentally stopped it, and I don't have a computer anymore to edit or the program, so I can't edit videos, guys, and do none of that stuff. It's just straight from my phone, you know, kind of ghetto style, no edit, nothing. Just that's why I'm kind of like always messing up, or they're not edited, it's raw. This is the raw as you can get. Probably more raw, but maybe that's in another channel I make. But yeah, I'm gonna pause you guys so the battery can charge because it's super dead. I'm gonna try it one more time right now. See what happens. Super dead. But you know what I was also thinking? That my ignition switch is messed up. I have that part already. I'm kind of worried to do it because it looks a little complicated. And I need to look in the book to see how it gets put on. Because I can't find on the internet that video of doing the ignition switch. It's like a big plug. I'll show it to you guys later, but because sometimes the truck would be working and I would not drive it for like a week, and I would turn it on, it'd be dead like it is now, but battery is charged, everything's working. And I would move the key, and it would work. So I think the key is messed up. I got new keys and everything for it. I'm gonna have to put the keys and the ignition switch and everything. But it's charging. I'm gonna let it charge and come back to it. If it doesn't work, it's because it's that key ignition. I might go find the part right now and show it to you guys. See if it'll start now, guys. Super dead. I'm gonna keep charging it. Can you find that ignition key? Alright guys, let's try one more time. How much is on the timer? 35 minutes. It's gonna charge me for like, I put it for 60, so like an hour. 30 minutes? 30, 25 minutes? super dead. So I'm probably gonna change the ignition switch. I'm gonna go read the book inside and see how it works. I'll pause you guys. All right, guys. It didn't turn on, but I'm gonna do the ignition switch. I'm gonna film that too right now. All right, guys. So this is what I found. It's pretty easy. Where is it? Installation of ignition switch removal and installation. So you got that. You want to pause it, and then it reads to this, and then it looks like that. The little hole on top. What is that? Battery removal installation. That's just battery. But yeah. So I'm gonna pause you guys and take you guys inside, and we're gonna do it. So this is the lock cylinder, guys. Little hole right there, and the ignition. This is the part number for this. This goes behind it. I think the key goes in that hole, but this clips onto that. Look at all the stuff you can see. Acceleration, battery. So this is the part number. Ignition starter switch. And the key one is lock cylinder 4H1071. So I'm gonna put these on. First, I'm gonna do the key. I'm gonna do this first. It's easy. The book showed so easy. Look, it even comes with instructions. People say, "Ah, throw the instructions away." That's stupid. I don't know why. But I keep them because I like to do stuff right. All right, guys. Let's see. See this little. So it's to put it in, turn it counterclockwise. This is the smallest ass paper clip. It's like bending. Nope. Paper clip's not strong enough. I've never done this before in my life. I've never even changed this one. Let's see if I can feel something first. Whoa! I think it's supposed to go all the way like that. It's not. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna have to find another paper clip just because I can't. Oh, you know what? I have one right here in my book. Alright, guys. Make sure it's filming. I got a thicker paper clip. I feel like I don't even know where this is supposed to go. Or is it like this? Damn, it's bending it. It doesn't feel like it's supposed to, maybe like that. Damn, it's bending. I'm gonna have to figure this out, guys, because it's not working. And I never done it before, because I've never changed it before. Maybe that's the problem. I hope it is, because, yeah, I don't know what else to look for. I might have to buy a wiring harness and put one in. You know, it's only like, it's very simple to put it in, because it's just the backlights and, you know, ignition module. You know, it goes to, it's already marked to go to certain things, if anything. But like the wiring harness will take a while to put on. I don't know about a while, but I'm gonna try to figure this out and pause you guys. So I got the new one, and I'm looking at it, and I'm like, you put it in, and then it comes out through the other side. Like, what? But there's no button, no nothing. How are you gonna take it out? You know? Dang it. If it says to do it like that, there is a. You gotta put the key in. It says. I read the damn already the instructions. It needs to be in this position. It's all wanga. It's all loose, that it doesn't even stay. There's like nothing in there. Mm-hmm. I don't know, but right here the switch comes up. Fucking got hard. It's stuck on there now. It was easy to take off. Yeah, this sucks because it's just bending this. It's not working. And I'm doing something super wrong. It says push the key in. Now it just bends this thing. Dang, I don't know what to do. I hope you guys could see because it's blurry. Put this over here. All right, so you guys can see. Oh, made it even worse. It's like right in here. Just do it like that. Oh man, I don't even know what to do now. I think I'm gonna take off the switch in the back. But I'm gonna pause you guys because it's getting too long. So I got it out, guys. I was reading this. This one kind of like helped me. You guys wanna pause it? But yeah, I turned it all the way to the left like that said, and it freaking came out. Brother, what? Alright then. Now take out the paper clip. Put the new one in. This might be hard putting it in. I don't want to break it. How is this even in there? I can't even see. Hard. I need to read the instruction again, guys. I'll pause it. Dang it, guys. It's always off camera when I get it. But I'm messing with it. There's a little switch. I don't know if you guys can see it. Right here. That little chrome brass piece, that little piece is what you poke. So what you're going to do is turn that hole towards it. So it's like that. Yeah, you can see, you can even see it. I'm trying to show you guys. See that little brass piece in there? You have to turn the thing all the way. Once you turn it all the way, you can poke it and it goes even more. Once it goes all the way like that, then you can put it in. So that's what you're looking for. So there's a little thing, you got to turn it and you got to hold it and you got to poke it. So I already put mine in. Check it out. Nice. Connect the battery, guys, and hopefully it turns on. All right, let's see if it turns on. Damn, it's super dead. Damn, let me check the battery again. All right, guys, let's see if it'll work. Take it out of gear, because geez Louise. It's not working. I guess the switch is not working. Oh man, why is it not working? Can't be defected, it's brand new. But stuff gets defected, my uncle would say. Rest in peace. Nothing, totally dead, guys. I wonder why. Oh man. I guess I'm gonna take out the old one and take out the new one, put the old one in to see if it'll. I gotta disconnect the batteries because the charger's on. Gosh dang it. Guys, I'm so dumb. I didn't put the plug in the back. Like, come on. How's it gonna work? How's it gonna work? So go to the left. There's a little hole right there. You kind of want to press it and like take it out. You don't want to leave it in there. You don't leave this in there. And then that's how you do it. Same style. First time doing it. Gotta learn. Gotta learn. You're never gonna learn if you don't do it. It's scary, man. I'm scared I'm gonna mess up something and I'm gonna have to fix something else, and that's happened. But shit, man, you can't. And it's hard, man, because I've saved money for months. I have to save money for months to get parts. So when I break something, it's hard. It's not like, oh, I got money, let me order it again or order this too because I broke that. I gotta wait. All right, then let's. Okay, guys, let's plug in the battery. The lights work. Oh, I am so nervous. Oh, I turned down okay because the plug wasn't on. The plug wasn't on in the back, and I started tripping out. Hey, hope it turns on. Hope it turns on. Oh, what the heck? I'm gonna have to change the switch in the back. And if that doesn't turn it on, then I don't know what it is, because I remember I would be like I say, 4 days, and I would turn it on and it would do this. It would do it like twice. I'd be like, what the hell? And then I would go back and then I would do it and then it would kick on. And I was like, damn, the ignition is messing up. So I ordered the new one and that other part that I showed you. And I never changed it because it never got that bad. And it got worse, and now it's doing this. There's 12 volts. It's just not working. It's like dead. Totally dead. Let me undo the battery because there's some. What the heck? Never mind. There is a fuse under here, guys, but I checked it. It's not blown. But I don't know why I did it like that. And then there's this wire that I had a fuse on it, but it's not going nowhere. Oh yeah, that's the radio maybe? I don't know what to do. I don't know why it doesn't want to turn on. The pump's working. It has voltage. It has voltage because it's going up to already like almost past 12 over here at the voltmeter. But bang, bang. Nothing. Better than a doornail. So let me change that other part and see if it fixes. I put WD-40 on that. Well, not really. Dollar General lubrication works pretty damn good. So this is what screws on to this part here. Let me hold it from the back. I think it's spinning. I can't really tell. Oh, wow. Always take off stuff slow like this, so just in case other stuff falls, you know how it works. Wow, simple, just like that. What? I'm all scared and like, never gonna be for me. Lambe, just do it. Chinga, trala, chinga, madre, chinga, la madre. Orale. Mira, lambe. Boom, your mind. Gosh dang it, I've done it and I'd do it again. I'm gonna polish it up. I'm gonna polish my ring. I'm happy because it came off easy, you know? I hope it works, guys. If not, I'm gonna have to call Derek from Vice Grip Garage. He'll probably come over here and turn it out in 2.5 seconds. He's like, look. Simple thing. He won't come over here. I wonder how much he would charge to come over here. I wonder what he's doing. I know exactly what he's doing. He's probably fixing a car right now in somebody's house. Well, guys, damn, this one's made in the USA, guys. Damn. This one, what is it made in? Nowhere. You see how they don't make stuff like they used to? It's yeah, it's a good brand though. It's it's what? NGK. It's good stuff. Excuse me. It doesn't screw on, it's too big. That screws on perfectly, you Scrooge. Alright. Let's see how this baby goes in. Last time I saw it. I guess that's it. Alright. Put the plug in the back. so it can. The plug had clips, but the previous people, they ripped it out. How am I gonna do this? There has to be a badass tool for this. Well, this works, I guess. And try not to go like, do a couple taps like this, and then go to the next one, because uy, cucuy. Stick my hand in there. Okay, now it's kind of tighty-whitey. I feel like watching Charlie Brown, the Halloween one. And get a little hat, get a little hat like this, a little hammer like this. Idiot. Yeah, my grandpa used to do that. I'm gonna pause you guys because you already know what I'm doing. Alright guys, it's already in. It's already in, cheesy. I don't even know what that means. Whoa. Oh, it was already pushed. Imbecile. You can even push it like that. Accessory, like, oh, jam on the radio. Oh, we're at the beach. Put the radio on, Rich. Yeah. Oh, let's take off. Let's go. I don't want to turn on. All right, then. Let's connect the battery. So, moment of truth, guys. If this doesn't work, I'm going to have to do some more research and figure it out. Okay, it turns on. How many volts? Well, the battery's not connected, but it has enough. Oh man. So it's not the ignition switch. Whoa. Something made a weird noise, right? Yeah, I don't know what it is. Maybe it has no spark. I'm gonna have to I don't know how to bypass the ignition coil up in the front. My uncle showed me, but I forgot. And I don't know how to do that, and I don't want to fuck up my coil because I don't have money to get another one. So I'm gonna buy me, instead I'm gonna save money so I can get me the Lone Wolf 3000. That's not what it's called. Derek from Vice Grip Garage calls it that. It's a switch that it connects to the ignition coil. I don't even know how to connect it on there. So if Derek, you're watching, can you make a video on connecting that coil, the switch on the coil, so I can learn how to? I could probably find it on YouTube, so I don't even need him to make a video, but Yeah, I'm gonna buy one of those switches so I can just turn it on from over there. Because I can bypass this and turn it on over there, but I don't know how, Those are the fans. What does this do? Oh, this was my light. My light from fans turn on. It has battery too, guys, and doesn't want to turn on. What the hell? So obviously it's not the ignition control. It could be a ground, guys, because I remember the blinkers weren't working, and that's on a ground too. Oh, what a sad day. What a sad day. So bummed out. At least the Mustang works. We'll try that one on. For now. Mustang works. I don't know why I don't want to turn on. The ignition coil's on. What the hell? That wasn't even put on right. That doesn't matter. It would have just misfired wrong. And also I'm gonna invest in one of those spark plug. It's a little device that you connect to the spark plug, and then you connect to this part of the plug, and it shows you if it has a spark without arcing on something and shocking yourself. So I guess I'm gonna stop here, guys, because I'm gonna have to do the research and figure it out. I'm gonna have to. There's a behind that page. I'm gonna show you too. There's a diagram of like the wiring. What I'm gonna do on that book. The wind turned it for me. Okay, so this is the chassis electrical system. So I'm gonna go through this system, look for all the grounds. Look, there's a ground right there. Right there. Where is it? Yeah, so I'm gonna go through them all. If you guys want to see it, pause it. Maybe you want to see this, so I can show you. Where is it? All the colors.